in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning 3D logo animation in After Effects without using any plugins. So first things first, add a logo PNG file on the timeline that has no background. Right-click that logo and hit Pre-compose. And make sure to check Move All Attributes and then click OK. Next, go to the Effects and Presets panel, type in Shader and drag it onto the logo. Don't worry about this creepy screen for now. Head over to the Effect Controls panel and set View to Rendered. Now under the Shape setting right here, click on Pattern and set it to Custom. And then set the Custom Shader map to your logo layer. Now for the 3D part, to rotate the logo, go to Camera Position and adjust the Y rotation to view the logo from the side. And you can increase the extrusion depth to 0.5 and you will see that the logo now has depth. And to fix the middle part right here, open up this setting and change side mode to color. Now open up the lighting settings and change the light type to first comp light and set ambient light to 1. Now if you want this portion to have the same coloring as your logo, click on color, then use the eyedropper tool to pick a color from the logo. Then of course you can darken the color to create a sense of depth. Okay, so this effect comes with a default animation and it doesn't particularly look good, let's just say that. Thanks Adobe. So to remove it, expand the force setting and set all of these values to 0. If you want to add a rotation animation of your own, go to the start of the timeline, set the Y rotation to 0 and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Move to the end of the timeline and set the Y rotation to 360. Please like and subscribe and feel free to watch this next tutorial.